And finally, Abu Trica, Wabekasa, and Penifasa Kakum, Yazin Kokuanum, concerning the arrest, no, Wakasa for the first time. I'm a Kasa, we are the media and the TikTokers. Actually, my dream, ever home. No one to remove to the Amame, our comment section. I Penyah broke media. Mess was any demo. Over like video, no doubt about subscribers and somebody click notification, latest update. Now, better the Wajon Jamame, our comment section of Baswa. No shame for any Biashe. Oba Ghana had my youth, no. Ebi I'm making life. Just o ma bobra make ankasa. Ebi any aguna swedru billionaire. Aguna swedru Elon Musk. Me chere Abu Trica. Abu Trica Frederick Kumi. I born in my friend Abu Trica. Masa, the guy was fucking loaded. Toasted boy pa, big boy. You can't big boy. Abu Trica was a big boy. Ain't easy. The guy was fucking loaded. If you know them, if you know see the mansion. Wa guna swedru masa easily gon fie kura nyina nchen easily gon fie kura enye steady aguna swedru bra na Abu Trica abo honum na enye brakuma na cars de bubu ja car be no ni bi ja le twabo cars any cars what live lavish life one kasa why enjoy life in his prime why enjoy life am back here last week Thursday no and buy say FBI for free USA aba be che Abu Trica edeneko our message and say was coming USA elderly people be. I say you come on to I was coming a boom $8 million because of that no. And an issue happened in 2023. It FBI edited I investigation was said there be issue na happen no. Ghana ni Fred Kumi a friend Abu Trica or can who be it no young conco it they came with the issue of indictment. It indictment said yes who said Abu Trica Chrononia the other course, you can who be. It is left to Abu Trica to go and defend himself. And it is left to the FBI to go and charge him, prove it, evidence. As I know, Chris Abu Trica or Kahun is involved in that romance scam now, a course one. Now you know something. Abu Trica is the issue that happened, you know. Iyoko for make post on that. Omo na kwache Abu Trica, almost together with CID, NIB, near the other, and a kwache Abu Trica. Omo believe say Abu Trica, one engaging romance scam, ask him member for any other day. It now no, they get their eyes on the street. And my hokran another post if you sound dot as so by. And as one just say, you know, Abu Trica, you know, cyber security. Authority for there are more to come. A nipa tribune no more. They are on the line to be arrested.
You realize that just yesterday, one of my agencies, the Cybersecurity Authority, picked up an individual who is supposed to be successful. There's no peace with that kind of success. And there are 3 more we're picking up in the next few days because we're cracking down on cybercrime. And so cybercrime does not pay. But education is the only thing nobody can take away from you. They can take all you have. They can take your cars, your houses away from you. But what you know and what you've learned cannot be taken away from you. And so education is the priceless gift that a child can get from their parents. And so I urge all the young kids to take their education serious. I am living proof that education pays. You understand me? And so our teachers, like I pointed out to them, I urge them to be patient with the kids. Today's children live in a difficult world. The distractions of the internet and technology is enough to take them away from the classroom. And so we need to give them, we have to be patient enough to give the children the impetus to stay in the classroom.
Finally, let me ask this.
I'm nipa 3 post by na me hu sana yama obi adi ni ba yama obi adi no Shatta Wale eko PM e wo BYK concert na se Beyond Control concert na e ho no Wale e kire nsemu.
And somebody see and say the Sakawa boy. That person say more time. Not be everybody do Sakawa. Not be everybody do Sakawa. Boys say you went to the hustle. Boys say you the Cantamanto. Boys say you the UTC. Boys say you the Mokola. Boys say you from Kumasi. People they hustle for Ghana. Me, Shatta Wale, I know they do fraud. I know they do anything. So anybody will go do, I go stand in front of God and say you're more there. Give it to me.
As all no sika fraud money be anka ho. I was like, Shatta, you mo odi o. Yan kan wasem. Senior man go da. O bia mo odi. Asem na Abu Trica case na ba na ye kan wasem. Eye dai na ko gina show concert, ko gina concert ase. e ko kire nsemu se wo sika fraud nka ho ye mo wo di ni pia na wo nkwa so ye mo wo di da se bre o si ade yo da se bre ye mo wo di ni yesre emfa wo hu ba mu bi ye mo wo di ni me se hu se na you know akwa wo se krom sikani o do so ni abri defend
be watching na am for the dia go on cast am show this life be far we dey go more like 70 plus years trust me obeti manya asem ke to ebi that about 200 do be bia ewiase dey say around say so only see how obe kwa ba betu bini no ebi ko do bia sa ne bia ka ho no aso wani nyina na de ko nti obi asem ba uno for begam like you for beg for am sorry na mo bomb pa ya kura man pass already asumasi abutiri kada bi ode Tesla ne Cybertruck ni ale twetwemi enye mo fe obi akwa Ghana for your try motivate you now challenge the cast match you be motivated for us or you want to kai e bet my because the age mate na bibi asoma to be amount like mo hear them on social media be content how no be penny views how no be penny sika obi nya challenge mo so nyansa down obi down for that baby because bet that and some bulo ya 1 year 2 years na no twem no me I come to 2019 till date yeah we still there inside because me dream obi nwa dey no money and obi down for nyama asem a day ya dey cry for am say chale when you live life pa o da the background o man just be bia but the background so na o mu ni papa class about 20 years how you go feel the ban when your father sa 20 years the papa ntran in China o na o ye o na papa no in China sa bro sometimes mun so man for nya mun so nya san ti me ka cho no sometimes as some to be a moment for to young fo mun sense so mu de ho so na man fa nya content creating ni chale sometimes I watch people they talk negative about this guy. This guy me I go see him one day for cast. Me dey the call boy fashion. He be cool. Me first they promote. They post me fear him maybe. And about am say shall roof me dey be am about me fear. Na me say obe na dey. It's I don't know in background, but if there be a free bar, man for maybe they take care of, maybe they hold them down by the normal. As some na to know what I say. Nti some to bia o na say untimi nka papa bia ngwana hwe bi na twam ko ba bi e ma mo fa beta age me na onwa asem na David bro me me say me ka sabonya for bi hu me talking bad about people na me hu some money maka wi
hey Zekro sikani so ani abri defend here na say sikani ye mo wudini asem kula ye mfro wo mu edi afede ba bi awoni abro hu awu kire nsemu. Now we say Anna video be security on the internet after the arrest of Abu Trica. Yebusa the question Emma or Kasai. Yebusa Abu Trica say Abu Ejuma ben na wo ye. What work do you do? Abu Trica ka mayentie with all this social media show na wo ye no. With the lavish life you live. Ejuma ben and Abu Trica. Oh yeah, me and me busa was me police ni. Wo so oya adwuma be ya ego ntimi ankasa.
Let's take it one of na me to one more see bia serious guy and also your phone so show phone so and so ya to one wa kan to me who say picture no can you make as for that one there right now as you talk
na so push that now the face at the hotel
no
what are any business now sometimes
but I want to know young so now you get what's going on
this is not the first secret. My explaining this kind of doctrine. I
am the one asking you a question. I'm the one asking you the question. You need your catcher. So I'm asking you. I'm introducing you. Okay, so you're from Chumbarama. I'm lawyer Chumbarama. I'm the deputy director for Narcotics Control Commission. Okay. So now my question is, dear one away. Your lawyer should answer the question for the work that you are doing. Your lawyer cannot answer that question for you.
You have already mentioned your name.
No, I said I've already done this thing. That's mine.
We are putting you under arrest and we are asking you a question. Said you man away. What's it? You want the lawyer to come and tell me what job you are doing? I'm a lawyer myself. Your lawyer cannot answer that question for you. It's not the duty of your lawyer to tell us what job you do. No. Even if it's in the interrogation room.
Young man. Or lawyer's interrogation can't mean to and can't say or no matter what my way. It's not done anyway. Very good.
The last time I was senior with my dad in the office, I say maybe see some transaction be.
I am just asking you a simple question. We see the man now.
It's only a call sending that transaction.
The Musa transaction once.
And you will be a man by now.
I have not asked you about transactions. Hello, listen to me. Listen, me Musa about the transactions. I just asked a simple question. The man now.
Me for behind your big transaction. Yes,
why are you talking about transactions?
Tell me.
I'm asking transactions. I'm asking transactions.
He's also saying, according to the.
Can you just listen? Hold on. Did you hear me asking questions about transactions?
No, you said what work.
Do you do? Yes. Simple.
Okay. And you
so me Musa transactions. When you be a transactions, I mean, just answer the question I'm asking. What work do you do? Me a policeman, my boy, a policeman. Me my cover, my man. I'll be position in the so dear man, it's a simple matter. Me can't transaction. Why another one?
Let me put it in a draw.
I will endorse.
I see now.
Abusia, a butcher can see Yankasa. I'm on a beach, say, oh, a tension, pressure, and a far no near the idea. Busy, okay. Answer the mind and say, Jason lawyer Banks on Casa, the best answer ever, any idea. But at long last, a booster can see Yankasa. You boost as a human being away. Simple question. Because I say, now our track company be saying there was some, those heavy duties track, There was a video they go back and say, I got some truck company because I remember, and that's not I got cars maybe. I remember, but it went to me and one cast. So yeah, and that's why yeah, maybe. And now even Chronicle the body say, oh yeah, musician, couldn't see what drop in you.
Abu minute sky to the Lalenke. I could not brothers do F around. Yeah, chiska. Dollar, pounds. Shemi steez, me the heat, Abu Trica to pressure my bang. Follow for no end of the month.
Can you musician? Like can you cover up Kakra because see a boss comes can need him. Oh my God, you to know a musician. Where you to need? It is about this are you to need, but Abu ain't Mangasa. Now, concern arrest, no comedian as well. Winning some more TikTok as well. Eka.
Share, Mamma buy a comment. I say, no more catcher say will be down for lay any agino. Cause some way Jimmy, Muni Yansa, Mo Jimmy, Mamukasa, Mo Jimmy Akasa. Una old mammy, and I say, Una bo braco drew baby. None if Baba Quabe dad and I Jimmy Sika if ni say my ebe ode. Cause Yamuka say, ye brothers are. Ye brothers, omun ko ye fraud. Why? Omun ko we a man for adie. Samati, we Jimmy Sano.
Abu Trica am doing so Shatta Wale say ye normal fraud ya. Ye jinemu enfama ya. I just oku jina bibi so ansano man. Abu Trica on Shatta Wale numere ya FBI for abechino. Oma abechino gidi man. Oma abechino say wa fraud yo bro ni bi by romance and dating yani. Wama akokrabie budon wa jeni $8 million like yes kaketu they be almost say I don't know oje 500k ye huni say chop money 200k ye chop money ba all level na dey would tell Lamborghini ni ade so chale boss ko fraud dem rofono $8 million and you may ya FBI for abet channel search on a search bar for Abu Trica in the FBI Abu Trica in the FBI man or my bet Abu Trica na Juya na so ye be she laga team bi enko from be won so one year jumani
If you see we Nyankopo betu amanfo bi kan na be betu amanfo bi kapapa mu sori a mu pokro no nketen mu wiawia amanfo mu sori na mu ka chese mu di 20 cedi 200 cedi ese ene di starting business munim sky di starting business akopi de nye scam free mun kanu kware ni kire ese kro no mu bo a ye be join mu ana ya join mu ye join mu ana ya kope bibi atena ase no abe twitwa en trosa na mu di pressure gu amanfo na so kro no mu bo
Yeah, Africa na ya channel no. Me see it me chick girls now me di nisika nyina become. Cause nika ba compare it me ebre owi asesa. Abu Trica, say Abu Trica, say Abu Nika so. ono ondi ahi bia edi ahi no di ni na guess sa guess ni na si echimu nyina na o sa ge na o ti wan di ho na ye to iPad ba kuma on ti am no talking stage anye yi no abutu ka to iPad kitwa bi ba kuma on ti me no ye talking stage na anye yi bi wo me do din be ko yeah
abutu ka pa wajisika bum sei wajisika de woni mu ani se be kwa mosi fie eye de woni mu ani se beto ka beto le mogini foforo beto Rolls Royce foforo beko akoto cyber truck foforo Ghana ni boy wenye sika jise cars ne flex mo jimi too much mo wise up mo jimi cars ya mu tutoi emfaso ni so what ya say wunya ba ko bi na ye Porsche bi na wo demu a fa de aka no invest sika no fa de aka ni invest sika no wo invest sika na scam no kura jai ne fa sika ni wura etotototo nsa ase totototo dan ni bi what ya say for hu wura oil business ni mu bi because sika na waje ni mu otu udi wura oil business ni obi ebie filling station ni bi wo jai scam no Ghana on ye won kwofo a omagidin a omanye sika bomu a masa enyimu sika no omonam scam yi so a no omde nye sika but omo wise up what ya say omo wise up bi kra de omo de dani music o eno omo wo shi sika ne de fra music no mu jai scam no ebi nso luku sharp omo ji sika no long time no omde sika ne sha se kotototo mfie sisi mfie ton no omo jai scam no second ebi mu nso nye sika no omde omde bie papa kese papa agigidi fefe artist ma papa no ebe gidi ma nkofo ba obenum sa enum bot enum sa etoto nam no tototo no ma bie guest house what ya say hostels ni ade eno mo de washi sika no mo jai scam no ma be yes ka 40 now a untime mechi wo so mo de scam ne nye sika de bi na butiri ka waji sika bude jimi yon jiseka ka de ni wo kem bro de ni wo kem e me ja because one look sharp too much ena unim omo edi kan bechi wo mo na gia for rent ne dada jo mo ni ade no omo no udru US amasa se wo pese wo sentence ne do abegina daka mu ne so tia e wo se wo seneche ebo wo mo a omo keka deals na unya sika ni firi mo no ne yekosoa wo mo to omo na bubobubodin o omo na bubobubodin na wo se mo tia se dada jo mo ne sika na omo jijiji ye na anu odene what ya see enti sika no enye nipa ba akopɛ ne scam o tie scam no enye nipa ba akopɛ ne tena da mutimi scam obi o scam ne o muni di niso ye wode client ne baba what ya see ye wode format ne baba no ye wo load obelo di sika na ba ye wode okura account obeje ne percentage wo enti different branches o enti sika ne betom obi agije ne share enti ebia obi sika waje no ne share na bi bedi abutrika o abutrika so ka ho bi nyesa abutrika na scam sika ni nyina da bi ebi asa abutrika sha ase sika ni bedi senior man sam ti obi na akwosene chi o US wonom side o sa abutrika mu nyina ka ho ne ebechi nti se Ghana for big boys no mo share scam na sini nyina no omu wise apoba se so wuji sika bu mu na 2023 yidie bu free covid time am bu free di sika ID me ba ya ankofo di gigi billion dollars ikura no abutrika mu gigi bi o no se nka o dog scam no long time what ya say now they akoto lemogini me catch the wo no mebi wo hono mu a Ghana for mo wise up what ya say me se broni akola so ye di no nya sika o di scan ye investment no ajai odi investment on no waja no the property na sa ko show ma medim odi akohye ni nwa bidim na waja scam no ti dachi bi ye bechi no kula na oye business otwa tax onye scam ni bi etu okokodam 10 years kula na obeba so na property ni woni andane ne ma medim tie ne dia but wo obekwa akotoka ni ahyepo di abele no ewoni dim abutrika bekwa akotoka foforo Rolls Royce ni ahyepo di abele no ewoni ono abutrika ni dim se sika ni nyina no mo track sika ni nyina onya no he ene de to cars no enti de atia ni se scam no mo scam o scam ya ebi wonu ma sika no efa direct bank account wa ye betima track sika no enti no mo de atoka na aba no odem what ya see e wo se mu jika mu jai sala we no Abutrika ose ka wujai wode nka cars ya wani ji hu nka wode toto accident cars wode toto accident cars fi abuche Canada ha ni US toto accident cars na ba na wa ye na wo ton e ba na wa ye na wo ton no adog scam no ubenye ska dan scam na wo ye but munim se scam no mun she dan ble ye ba na ska na fe e ba na ska na fe chale one day ye be chew what you see ise abua ya sa amo ma ba be fa no one look sharp masa obi obeka chem se abutika look sharp yo boa yo nigga so majiji omo yes scam pam sisi omo talk scam na omo di tuton sa ase toto omo nim nipa America no omo tuton sa ase ton omo tuto fie ton we just scam dada yo Ghana sisi yo artist phobia no mo so yes scammers omo so hu adwene nyansa no omo nya scam no omo di ade na wura music industry nim e no ma dog scam no afama omo what you see yo omo so omo di ko biebie sport akese omo just scam no long time afama omo nya no me scammers ni bi omo jiji sika na butika mo jiji ni omo ma fa to ka ma me show off am chiri sika online and them omo di brain to business bro niggas be blajiska wise up niggas be blajiska wise up me de bia na me ka chem ti town boys ni say ujiska makacho boys kana waje no fa finim fa tu kwai masa ya rom nyu se me boa ni de so obekwa akonya lantra bi na ya boni open top no wodem no oba ono anu waga no wanya trumufu ni bitenchen asi sika ni sana abu se ese nyame yodo isi abu Trica ni aba be chini into wa oka $8 million ni hu bia bata fa ho adwene ntam fa ho adwene watu to bibia fa ni nyina hyehyɛ ko change o properties de fa ko show ma be di mutie o ma me nkwa na betima ginadi wo de ko ma papa o de be kwa kodi twe me ka kyerɛ
wa adwene ma me e wo comment section how you Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!